All right. Good day to all of my students in Total Quality Management, CBMEC 1. I am here to discuss to you using this video recording the topic that is titled TQM Process and Implementation, which is our lesson number 5. Okay, let us try to understand what is the TQM process or the Total Quality Management Process and Implementation by giving you a simple explanation. For example, when we speak of course, we're dealing with total quality management, which is considered as a system that really helps the businesses improve their products, services, processes by focusing on quality at every level. There are 11 key practices for implementing total quality management, which actually involves steps like leadership commitment, customer focus, employee involvement, continuous improvement. And to successfully apply, of course, we're talking about these practices. A company must follow structured processes such as identifying quality issues. They need to analyze them and then finding practical solutions that can be implemented. For example, Toyota, which is a very famous company when it comes to producing vehicle. Or, of course, great example in TQM in action. The company uses the Kaizen, which is continuous improvement, to constantly refine its manufacturing process. Employees at all levels are encouraged to report issues and suggest solutions. This approach has really helped Toyota reduce defects, cut their costs, and improve customer satisfaction. In this unit, you will be learning how to research total quality management updates, analyze the industry challenges, and of course, propose solutions just like Toyota does to maintain its reputation for quality. So what are the learning objectives for this lesson? At the end of this discussion, I'm expecting that my students will be able to choose and defend best practices in quality management based on total quality management elements and principles. Of course, at the end of the discussion, I'm expecting that you can already recommend implementable total quality management practices and use total quality management methodology in enhancing total quality management procedures in whatever organization you are currently affiliated with. Okay, so let's talk about, again, Toyota, which is a global leader in quality management because it allows or it follows total quality management principles through its Toyota Production System, the TPS, and here is how it works. Like, for example, in terms of employee participation, Toyota encourages workers to suggest improvement using the Kaizen principle. The process control and improvement, the just-in-time, of course, system reduces the waste and ensures that there are efficiency. Customer focus, why? Because they continuously improve vehicle safety, fuel efficiency, and design based on customer feedback. Of course, using the total quality management, Toyota maintains high product quality. They are reducing defects and keeping customers happy, leading to long-term success. Another example is McDonald's uses total quality management because they really wanted to maintain high product quality and customer satisfaction worldwide. They train their employees to follow strict quality standards. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, kahit saan kayo magpuntang McDo, iisa yung lasa ng kanilang burger, iisa yung kanilang lasa ng spaghetti, ng chicken. They use customer feedback to improve their menu. They standardize processes to ensure food tastes the same everywhere. They focus on total quality management principles, and they keep customers happy and making sure that long-term business success is being achieved. This total quality management framework that you can see on the board or on the screen illustrates how different total quality management implementation practices really contribute to the overall business performance. It consists of two main sections. As you can see, the TQM implementation practices, which can be seen on the left side, these 11 elements help organizations ensure quality at every stage. Leadership, it guides the vision and culture of quality. Vision and plan statement sets clear quality goals, evaluation measures, performance of continuous improvement. Employee participation engages workers in quality efforts. At the same time, recognition and reward motivate employees to maintain high standards. Education and training, really building skills for quality management. Supplier quality management ensures high quality materials, and the process control and improvement, it reduces defects and enhances efficiency in the workplace. Product design focuses on customer needs, of course, quality system improvement, ensuring consistent quality monitoring, customer focus, which enhances customer experience. As you can see, the overall business performance can be seen on the right side. These elements show how total quality management leads to success. For example, employee satisfaction, motivated employees improve performance. Product quality, there are fewer defects and better performance. Customer satisfaction, happy customers lead to brand loyalty. And strategic business performance, there is higher profit, growth, and competitiveness. Okay, so let's proceed to the total quality management implementation practices. Now, as you can see that implementing total quality management involves adopting specific practices under each of the 11 total quality management elements. These are the examples for the first, let's say, the leadership in total quality management. Leadership ensures the top management actively promotes quality. They participate in improvement efforts. They set a vision for long-term success. Leaders act as role model, make decisions based on data, management by fact, and they really encourage a culture of quality. Again, Toyota. Toyota's lean manufacturing system is based on management commitment to quality. The company's top executives participate in continuous learning, empowering employees, and following long-term business strategies like Toyota production system. Toyota's Kaizen philosophy really promotes continuous improvement through leadership-driven motivation. We also have supplier quality management. A company ensures that suppliers meet high quality standards by selecting reliable partners. They really evaluate the performance, they conduct audits, and maintain strong communication. This ensures that high quality raw materials and consistent product quality. Example is the very famous company, Apple. Apple maintains strict supplier quality control for components like iPhone screens and chips. It has long-term partnerships with suppliers such as Foxconn, TSMC. Apple conducts supplier audits to ensure compliance with labor, environmental, product quality standards, and this really results in high-quality products and brand consistency. The vision and plan statement. When the company sets clear vision and quality policy aligned with business goals, it defines quality improvement plans and product quality targets to enhance business performance. Example, the favorite Starbucks. Of course, Starbucks' vision is to inspire and nurture the human spirits. One person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. It follows quality policy, ensuring ethical sourcing and high standards in coffee production. The company has a sustainability plan to reduce the waste and improve customer experience. Starbucks regularly evaluates, and adjusts its quality goals based on customer feedback. So when they are implementing this total quality management practices, we can say that businesses enhance quality, they improve efficiency, they gain customer trust, which will lead to long-term success. All right, so let's continue our discussion. Total quality management involves practices under various elements, which also includes evaluation. Businesses need to evaluate their strategies, employee performance, departmental efficiency, and overall business success. This includes quality audits, benchmarking against industry standards, and tracking quality cost, using information systems for analysis. Amazon continuously evaluates its business strategy and operations by tracking customer satisfaction, supply chain efficiency, and delivery speed. It uses benchmarking to compare its performance with competitors like Walmart, Alibaba. Amazon also conducts quality audits in its fulfillment centers to ensure seamless order processing. Another is process control and improvement. This involves controlling and improving production processes through tools like shop. For example, we have shop floor monitoring, process capability analysis, preventive equipment maintenance, inventory management, and inspection. Companies use quality tools such as Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, and of course, they are using this to optimize efficiency. For example, McDonald's standardizes and controls its processes globally. Shop floor control using real-time monitoring of kitchen operations to maintain consistency. Inventory management, they're using predictive analysis to manage food stock and reduce the waste. Inspection, they are really making sure that strict quality checks for food and safety at every stage is being conducted. Quality tools using the Six Sigma to optimize processes, reduce errors, and improve service speed. Another is product design. Businesses must design products that meet customer needs while ensuring reliability, efficiency, and cost effectiveness. Techniques such as concurrent engineering, these are team-based design, reliability engineering, the CAD software, and quality function deployment, QFD, helps in developing high-quality products. For example, Tesla. Tesla's product design focuses on innovation and manufacturability. They're using the computer-aided design or the CAD to develop electric vehicles with aerodynamic efficiency. They apply quality function development by incorporating customer feedback into product design. They use reliability engineering to make sure that they are achieving long-lasting battery performance in its electric cars. Another is quality system improvement. Companies improve quality systems by creating quality manuals, defining work procedures, training employees, and obtaining ISO 9000 certification to standardize best practices. For example, Samsung. Samsung follows a rigorous quality system. It maintains a quality manual for production processes. It implements ISO 9000 certification across its global manufacturing plants. It defines standardized procedure for product testing and performance evaluation. They're using work instructions to guide employees in maintaining quality at each step of smartphone production. So let's proceed to the next one, which is employee participation. Employee involvement is critical to improving quality and efficiency. Companies achieve this through cross-functional teams, job rotation, quality control circles, employee suggestion, trade unions, and information sharing to boost engagement. Toyota applies the Kaizen, continuous improvement philosophy, where employees actively participate in improving production processes, using quality control circles where employees collaborate to solve quality issues. They implement job rotation. They allow workers to gain diverse skills and flexibility. And of course, they really encourage employee suggestions through formal system, rewarding the best ideas. Another, recognition and reward. Businesses motivate employees by recognizing their contribution through bonuses, promotions, better working conditions, moral awards, salary raises, and positive work environment encourages high quality performance. Google, the one that I sent to you, the internship movie. You can see in the Google that it is known for its strong employee recognition and reward system. They really provide generous bonuses and salary promotions based on performance. They recognize as employees through award like Google Peer Bonus and improves the working environment with open offices, relaxation areas, and free meals. They really offer position promotions to employees to excel in leadership and innovation. Another is education and training. Ongoing training and education really helps employees develop their skills in quality management, job-specific tasks, and team learning. Companies invest in formal education, job training, quality awareness education to build a knowledgeable workforce. Again, Starbucks provides extensive training for their baristas, for their managers. Every new employee undergoes formal job training on coffee brewing, customer service, and quality standards. They're really conducting learning sessions to improve collaboration, offers online education programs for employees to further their education while working. Customer focus is the last one. Businesses must prioritize customer satisfaction through market research, complaint handling, quality warranties, customer service, and satisfaction surveys to continuously improve products and services. Apple excels in customer focus because they conduct customer satisfaction survey to understand the user needs. They offer quality warranties and extend Apple Care services. They use customer information system to track the product issues, improve future designs, and they provide the top-tier customer service at Apple Store and online support. With that, let's proceed to the next topic, which is total quality management implementation process. The total quality management implementation model follows a step-by-step process to ensure continuous improvement and quality management in an organization. The first step is top management commitment. The first and most crucial step in top management must be fully committed of total quality management. Without leadership support, quality initiatives will not succeed. Just like Toyota executives, they're really actively supporting total quality management principles by promoting Kaizen, continuous improvement. The management sets quality-focused goals. They really make sure that the employees' engagement are present and they continuously improve manufacturing customer satisfaction process. Step 2 is establish a total quality management steering team. A dedicated team is formed to lead and guide the total quality management process. This team ensures that all employees align with the quality objectives. For example, General Electric successfully implemented Six Sigma. They form a dedicated quality team led by trained experts called black belts and green belts to oversee the process improvements across department. Another is evaluate current total quality management practices and business performance. Companies must analyze their current quality management practices to identify areas of improvement. This includes benchmarking, quality audits, performance evaluation. Samsung evaluates its product design, manufacturing quality, customer feedback to ensure it maintains high standards. It frequently benchmarks against competitors like Apple and improve their supply chain and innovation processes. And we also have here the step 4, evaluating current total quality management implementation and performance. The company analyzes existing quality practices and performance by collecting and examining the data to identify areas for improvement. Amazon continuously analyzes customer feedback, delivery efficiency, and warehouse operations to improve logistics and customer satisfaction. The company collects performance data to optimize order fulfillment, product quality, and delivery speed. Step 5, do implementing the improvement plan. Once a quality improvement plan is developed, it is put into action. If any challenges arise, the mini plan, do, check, act cycles can be used to adjust the process. For example, McDonald's introduced automated self-order kiosks in response to long wait times at the counter. They first tested the kiosks in a few locations, made small adjustments, then expand them to worldwide after confirming their success. Kaya kung titingnan nyo, lahat ng mga McDonald's branches dito sa Pilipinas, kapag umorder ka, you have to do your automated self-order dun sa kiosk nila. Another is step 6, the check, measuring the impact of improvements. The company measures the results of the implemented plan and compares them with expected outcomes. Tesla introduced software updates for autopilot features and monitored how they impacted driving performance. They collected real-time data from vehicles and compared accident rates before and after updates to ensure safety improvements were effective. The last step, or the step 7, is act, standardizing or refining the change. If the improvement was successful, the company formalizes the new process. If not, lessons are documented and the plan, do, check, act cycle, the PDCA cycle restarts to find a better solution. Coca-Cola launched the new Coke formula in 1980s, but after a negative customer response, they quickly returned to the original formula. They used feedback from this field trial to improve future product launches, ensuring better market research. Well, restarting the PDCA cycle means continuous improvement, and the PDCA cycle never stops. Businesses must continuously assess, implement, measure, and refine their quality strategy. All right. I think that concludes our discussion in lesson number 5. This is all about total quality management process and implementation. Thank you, and let us continue to enjoy learning total quality management.